Challenging Goals, Denting the Universe is a section in Chapter 7, Developing Affecting Teams. What this is basically the mundane of motivating no one. Teams need challenging goals to spark members' best efforts. What this means is basically your team has to have some kind of goal that is complicated, well, not complicated, but somewhat difficult to achieve, which all of you guys are going to have to be motivated to it. What this is, you're going to embark on a shared mission with a common vision of how to translate the dream into a team achievement. You have to have a dream. Let's say this, I'm going to use a real life example. If somebody wants to become something in real life, let's say a lawyer, it's like your dream is set somewhere along with somebody else, perhaps. Let's say two people want to become something and to become a lawyer, and you guys have to achieve it. You have to put it into action. You have to put this work into action in order to get there. That's basically what this is saying. So you have your whole team and you have a dream achievement, and in order to complete it, you have to work together and motivate each other in order to get there. An example of this is the first Macintosh computer. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But this is basically how a team had a vision or a goal and made it work. So basically we have Steve Jobs, the team leader, who promised team members that they were going to develop a computer that would put a dent in the universe. The other person, Elon Musk, he wants to affect the future of humanity in a positive way. And then we have another member, Amanda Steenberg, founder of Daily Worth, made her mission to cultivate the self-worth and net worth of women around the world. So basically, each person is putting in a little seed in everything they're doing in order to get somewhere. Changing the world, of course, doesn't have to be the dreams team. So basically, what this is saying is everything you do obviously is not going to change everybody in the world. Nothing is too small, though. So anything you're doing in a group right now is going to change eventually, somewhat, somehow, in somebody's own personal experiences or what they're learning. An example of this can be lowering the cost of textbooks 25%, doubling the effective tutoring programs on campus, or making the campus safer by replacing old lighting systems with brighter energy efficient systems. This is really good because you're not putting a dent in the universe, but it chips away at a serious local problem. So maybe you have, I don't really know anything, maybe in Merced, that is, the garbage all over Merced, how trashy it is sometimes in certain places. If you have a goal of cleaning everything up, you and your team, a group of people, then you guys are going to motivate each other to make it better. And if it's something so small that you do, like cleaning up a certain area, you're making a change to those around in the area that are living there. Maybe they're not the ones helping, but you're helping them with how maybe people don't like to pass by there because it smells or something, and you're just changing it by doing this. In slide 12, we have commitment to goals, a passion to succeed. What this is saying is there was a massive study in the Gallup organization of 1.4 million workers in 66 countries. One key finding was that coworkers who share a commitment to quality is key to great team performance. So basically, this is something that you just have to have commitment and communication competence. You cannot do something without committing to it. You cannot say, I'm going to do it, but not get there. I believe a lot of people do this, maybe like soccer players or just any kind of athlete. I want to play the sport, but I'm not going to put in work to it. You have to commit to doing something. And without our groups perform as individuals, with it, they become a powerful unit of collective performance. You have to work together, not one person. If one person doesn't feel committed to something, then you're just doing it on your own, and it's not something that's going to help others in your group out. So when you guys all come together and feel that you guys are going to commit to it, push yourself to it, then you're going to have a powerful unit of collective performance. One key way to create commitment is to have a team member share in setting goals for the team. So maybe you have one team member that is going to say, okay, you guys, let's do this. Let's push yourself to it. And it's going to help everyone get to it because you're committing to it. Another thing is team members typically respond better to goals that they have had a hand in creating than those that are foisted upon them by others. So you guys all have to decide on choosing how to complete something. You can't have, oh, here, look at this. Like maybe in this group or something like that, or any other group, you're assigned to do something and you're really like not decided, like, oh, dang, this is really what I have to do. No, like, it's better to have your own decision on what you want to complete, because that's what you decided to do and that's what you chose, so you're going to commit into performing this, which is really good because you're going to help your team members out, and it's really going to be a positive thing because you guys are all committing to something.